truck for him late last year, now with the rumored colors. Got after it at about 250 feet out. A little bit of hot on the top. Not too bad. Just right there. Wait for the lazy to come in. American Pride Bonanza. Based out of Warrenton, Missouri. The track kind of fooled Terry Biggs a little bit. It got him to happen. JJ Brummy was able to grab on. See if keep with till they have it. Finally got after it. It popped immediately, jumped completely out of the track, and GMC Denali body covering this truck. It's a full billet 460 cubic inch Wagner built Duramax engine with a feed pump and triple turbochargers. Ready over 10 Evil Diesel. Got a little fire underneath the hood there, Jerry Nelson.
After we see the pass here, we're going to kick it downstairs. Charles is with Jeremy Roberts, our winner of our Super Farm class. All right, Terry Biggs, Noblesville, Indiana, dead full. I need to go in excess of 331.
Green in the air for Van Hayden. Rock hard red.
this was the winner, the 2023 National Farm Machinery Show. Brady Ingram, Shine Diesel from Farina, Illinois, 1996 Dodge Ram. Over here toward the right-hand side, Brady Ingram from Farina, Illinois, just a little bit north of here. As I mentioned, the 2023 National Farm Machinery.
416.
People watching in 52 states. I couldn't even say it in 3 states, Charles.
The caretaker. All right, here we go.
Hey, seller.
Yes, Sunday, Sunday, Sunday.
We'll show you the seat. But super truck.
Travel up back. Tennessee. And a caretaker from Lafayette, Tennessee.
Gone around,